Wake up between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Start your day by hydrating and getting some sunlight, your natural energy booster. Fuel your body with a high-protein breakfast, then spend 5 to 10 minutes in quiet meditation. If you're feeling up to it, add a quick workout to jumpstart your focus and strength. Focused work and mental growth. Need a boost? Have some caffeine, then dive into deep, focused work. Eliminate distractions and give your best energy to your biggest goals. Take time to read anything that challenges your mind and sparks curiosity. Midday habits. For lunch, keep it simple. Protein-rich, low in carbs, and full of nutrients. Get some fresh air and sunlight again. It resets your mood and focus. And don't forget to connect. A quick call or chat with someone you care about can go a long way in strengthening relationships. Evening activities unwind creatively. Whether it's music, painting, writing, or just doodling, let your mind explore without pressure. Then nourish your body with a balanced dinner. Think protein and healthy carbs. Night routine. Wind down with intention. Take magnesium to help your body relax and avoid screens to protect your sleep. Reflect on your day, plan tomorrow, and try a few minutes of breath work or light stretching. Lights out between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. so you can wake up ready to rise and thrive again. Growth isn't complicated, it's consistent. One day at a time. Start tomorrow, today.